Hey everybody, welcome back to our 18 Summers. Today we are going to Everglades National Park. It's the first time that any of us have ever been there, so we have really high expectations and about learning new things and seeing new things. So can't wait to do it.
We are at Everglades National Park right now, and we are on a hiking trail. The water is extremely clear, even though it doesn't seem like from the part you're looking at. And there's a weird bird over there.
Definitely right to watch both sides.
Yeah.
We got the word.
Alligator, such a cute alligator. Oh, take a little nap right there.
Go back to Arches.
Why?
Because it's the most awesome national park I've ever been in so far.
Yeah, well, let's go. What do you see, Cardi? Where do you see it? Here, look right here. What do you think, Carter? Yeah, you saw it, didn't you? Did you like it? What? Did you like the alligator? Yes. Yes? Good. Carter.
And to keep the air, water, and land clean. I will share what I have learned with others and will continue to explore these national parks. Hey everybody, can we have a round of applause for Kate and
Alright.
Has a curled beak.
Has a curled beak? That's cool. What does it use this curled beak for?
To clean its feathers and
Good job. What did you think about our alligator experience? Alex, what did you think?
I thought it was really cool.
Yeah? What did you learn today?
I learned that, well, in my book, I learned that there's 3 places that the water from Lake flows. It flows into Everglades National Park, it flows into Everglades and Florida Bay, and it flows into the Gulf of Mexico.
Nice, really good.
And also, I didn't know this, but I think like 10 million people use the Everglades water to drink and cook with and stuff.
Wow. 10 million people?
I think so.
That's amazing. That's really cool. Mama, what do you think about Everglades National Park?
I think it's awesome. I've always wanted to come here since I was